Day 4! And we are going to the beach. The motherfucking beach. Now let me tell you. Let me ask you. What are you eating?
Cheese.
Okay, what did you do before?
Cheese and chorizo.
Okay, you got some cheese, put salami in it. So rolled it up.
Are you taking the camera to the beach?
I want to. But it is Barcelona, capital of... what's it called? Pickpockets. If it's around my neck in the water, yeah. If I go swimming, someone has to stay with it. Or we just need to be close to the water.
Yeah.
Black socks in a country like this. Let me see the beautiful Danish. Aye. Not so bad, you can see the Hollywood Hills up there. Yeah. We're gonna way down there. Let's zoom out for you. Jesus. Doesn't actually look so far on the camera. Alright, with boobies. Very cool.
Suck your eyes.
I know.
You can loosen it, you know. Going like that.
That's what one likes about me.
Going like that.
Your dog is a mojito, the mojito man.
Oh, yeah.
No, thank you. Oh yeah. Not until we want to get drunk.
Come on, George, let's go.
Let's go swimming now.
There's my balloons.
How good do my tattoos look in the beach?
Show us your kangaroo. It's all
You can't
covered
even
in,
see your tattoos.
it's covered in shite.
That's right, just like
I'm
sand all over my
gonna
shoes.
zoom in on it.
Well, I'm gonna do something cool. Oh, wow, that was close. Ready? Jump in like an idiot. Let me introduce you to our furry little friend we've got. Wanna see it? You wanna pick him up?
I wouldn't touch it, but there's a cheesy what's it in there, and that's absolutely disgusting.
Yeah, that's all squished up, but that was from everywhere. Do you wanna sweep it up? To be honest, all this was here before we got here. As soon as we
Except for
stepped,
the cheesy what's it.
yeah, except for cheesy gossip. But as soon as we fucking got to the place, it was covered because it was refurbed. But it does look like a nice place, right? It's a beautiful place. We're almost there. We've been watching all day. Can I get a beer? I love you. Daniel, do you want one? Get a beer. No.